Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to download and install Notepad++ on your Windows OS like Windows 10 or 11, whatever you are using. So you will able to easily download it on your operating system. So let's begin. So first of all, go to your browser and search for Notepad++ download, and visit to this first website, which is the official website of Notepad++. And now you can see the latest version of this Notepad++ is 8.7.4. so click on this link and you will be redirected to the download option. Here you can see this download button, so you have to simply click on this installer button to download it. So now the download process has been started here. See here. So now go to the file manager, download section. You can see this Notepad++ installer file is here. Click on this and click on this yes button. Choose the language, which is by default is English. Click on this next button, then agree these terms and conditions. Again click on this next button and keep it is as well as, and click on this next button again. And if you want to create a shortcut on desktop, then check this box, otherwise you can skip it and click on this install button again. So now the installation process has been started here. So it is completed. Now click on this finish and it will run on your desktop. So maximize it and you have access this Notepad++ on your system. So now if you want to run any program on your Notepad++, you can do it easily. So you have to create a new file. So click on this file option and click on this new and click and save this files. Control Shift then S. Okay, so you have here many options like view encoding languages. If you go to this language section, you will see this. If you click on this G, then you can go with this language. So if you click on this P button, then you can see there are many options of languages like Python, PowerShell, PostScript, PHP, etc. So you can also choose the language from here. So I want to go with the Python. So now you can write the code of Python. So simply I want to print hello Python on Notepad++. So now run this program. So the program to run, okay, what is this? So you have to click here all files and you have to select the path where you want to save it. So I want to save here as my first program. Okay, so close this. Okay, so you have many options here. First of all, save this file. where you want to save it. I want to save it on desktop, and this is the Python file. Save this. So this file has been saved, and now run this file. Okay, so the CMD has been opened here. I think it is Anaconda. So if you type here anything like print hello world, so see, you can print here your you can run any program here like Python, Java, so using the CMD option here. Okay, and you can also run the program here. Okay, so there are many options. You can go through it, and by yourself you can do this easily. Okay, okay, so this is the option. You can upload here the file, Python file, and after that you will be able to run this program here. Okay, so this is all about the installation of Notepad++ on your operating system. So I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, comment and share, and do the subscribe my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon, so whenever I will upload any video, so the notification will be sent to your uh, account. So it is important. So thank you so much.